How to log out on your Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to log out on your Amo account, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, click on your account icon up there. Now all you need to do is click on settings and you're gonna find account and security top there. In here you're gonna find log out. Click on it, and login out will not delete profiles, chat history and contact. That's mean when you log out your account, nothing is gonna happen to your profile and your chat history and your contact. If you want to log out, just click on it, and so easily. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.